Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel AMEC. It means AM English Classes. Guys, in today's video we are going to learn one of the best technique, that how much time does it take to learn English language. Yes guys, in today's video we are going to discuss on a very interesting topic which will help us to improve our English language, and how much time does it take to learn English language. Guys, as you know that if you are going to learn new things, first of all you forget, and again you try to do that work, again you forget, and again you try. Yes, you must try continuously if you want to really do any work like that. English is also a new thing for you if you are a beginner. Yes guys, English is also a new things, new point, new games like that, and new language for you, because you don't know about this language, so it is definitely new for you. So yes guys, if your question is that how much time does it take to learn English, yes guys, it can take more time and it can take a very few time, but it's totally depend upon you how you are using it, and how you have internal desire or not, and you have curiosity, you have encourage, you have a strength. If we are not punctually, then we can't learn. Yes guys, first of all you must have determination, willpower. Yes guys, and you must try to practice every day, everywhere, and anytime. Guys, nowadays there are so many apps are available, so many apps are available like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Apart from that, there are so many apps are available. By the help of that apps, we can learn English language, because lots of teachers are teaching on the YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Guys, on my channel you will get after some days a very important and basic points, and that will help you to improve your English. In this video we are going to discuss how much time does it take to learn English. Guys, we can learn this language in 2 and 3 months, but you must try to speak this language continuously. Suppose that you know how to write, you know how to read, but you don't speak. If you will not practice, then how can you learn? Yes guys, you have to practice it continuously. Definitely you can learn it a very 2 and 3 months. Yes guys, so it will not take more time to learn this language if you practice continuously. Some people fear that if I will speak, then what people will say about me. So you don't have to fear, you don't have to think about other people. If you think that they are thinking negative about me, then what they will think. Yes guys, so you don't have to think other people, you have to practice your English language continuously. You don't have to find out the exact time, exact place, and with whom you have to practice. We can practice anytime, anywhere. First of all, you have to practice to yourself, you have to sit alone, and you have to make the list of small topics, and you have to try to speak on that topic. Then definitely if you do these types of practice activities, definitely your English will improve and you can learn this language 2 to 3 months. Guys, it's enough for today. If you like this video, thanks for watching. Best of luck, wish you all the best.